Cultivation is the daily and an activity which is a must here in the entire Kibwezi district, with the locals having already planted different crops and having germinated. Peasants are busy tilling their farms to do away with the weeds for better yields.
Na mbuga yewe neza netwikite bitini kana tutetheke nundu wa kwitha nitwikwati womanya kwili.
Mrs. Mumbua Musau, a peasant farmer here in Kibwezi in the village of Nzayo, says that she has 4 acre piece of land and she is optimistic that he is going to have enough harvest if the rains do well. She says she uses family labor at the closure of schools, which is cheap, other than hired labor, which is far much expensive in consideration to the fact that the dry spell had left all the animals, especially bulls, for cultivation in dead. Mrs. Mumbua's son, Mr. Mumbua Musau, says that they managed to till or to cultivate the 4 acre farm as a family to spare their family from high expenses of hiring labor. Maize is the staple food here, not only in Kibwezi but in the entire country, and it has been given priority. Reporting for Voices of Africa Media Foundation in Kibwezi, Kenya, I am Yussuf Maleli.